how to adjust shadows highlights in Adobe Photoshop 2022 in a way that it will also add an adjustment layer and not directly modify my background layer. To add an adjustment layer also, right click on this background layer, convert to smart object. Okay, and now go here to image, adjustments, shadows, highlights, and do the modification whatever that you want. Close it with OK, and voila, here we have the adjustment layer. You can use this top one to view it without the effect and with the effect, and you can double click on the lower one's text to modify the effect itself, the amount, and close it with OK. To delete the adjustment layer and the shadows highlights, right click on this text, the lower one, and delete smart filter, and it's gone. Now for some reason, just an example, here at adjustments we have these, but there is no highlights or shadows here. Let's say brightness contrast. If I use that one, that adds a nice little adjustment layer there, and whatever adjustment you did, you can preview it without that effect and with the effect, but the same is not available directly for shadows highlights from here. So for that, convert it to a smart object and then it will work.